An urban environment can be very noisy and dangerous. For sure, you're already seeing this. Road accidents, skids, cars that cannot stop. Also, there is the noise pollution caused by cars, mainly due to tire pavement contact. Being myself a civil engineer, what can I do to change this? How could I help? First, we need to talk about pavements, since its texture can increase or reduce both noise and accident rates. Usually, pavements are constructed with two main goals: withstand traffic and last as long as possible. But we also should design roads thinking about the pavement texture. When we mix the natural aggregate with the bitumen, we have an asphalt pavement. Its texture will depend on the aggregate size, shape, and so on, but we have little control on the natural aggregate characteristics. Also, using natural aggregates is not exactly environmental friendly. So, we came up with an idea. Why don't we use the mining residue, thus helping the environment, to make a new aggregate? An aggregate that we can engineer the shape, size, and texture. An engineered aggregate to be the best one to reduce noise and increase the road safety. First, we designed the artificial aggregate in a CAD software, and then modeled and printed into 3D molds. In the lab, using basalt powder mixed with metakaolin and added to a basic solution, it's possible to obtain an alkali activated mortar that can be cast into the 3D printed molds. This allowed me to produce artificial engineered aggregates. We are now partially replacing the natural aggregates in the mix and measuring the pavement texture, skid resistance, and noise with this new material. We hope to obtain, at the end, a quieter and safer pavement that is also more environmental friendly. And for more and much more, follow me.